everyone, my name is Jack Lopez, and today we are going to be doing a vehicle simulator because we are so close. I've been doing this because I could. What the heck was that? Alright, whatever. He's not gonna get out like that, bud. You're not gonna get out, you're gonna climb upstairs. Are you okay? Yeah, he's good. Alright, so yeah. Today we are going to be getting the P1. I'm so excited to get it. I already have my own. Whoa, guys, look at that. I'm just. Should I say it? No, it's really not that funny. No one's in my car. Alright, so today we are going to be doing more farming to get, and we're going to get it today. So yeah, let's go. And guys, I'm going to be doing a prank video on vehicle simulator. I'm going to get the Volkswagen, and I'm going to put insanity on it. And I'm going to see if people will fall for. Oh, I rue you. Yeah, watch him. Alright, so you can see my speed. Alright, so yeah, I'm so excited to get it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go race. I'm so afraid because we're gonna go off too fast. But you were gonna reach over 530. We will, right about. Right now, we're gonna reach over 430. I don't know what happened. Right. Alright. Here we go. I like how my hair's sticking out of my car. Alright. Oh my god, we're already at 1.5 million 81,000. 1,582,000. Oh, changed. 1,584,000. No. Alright. All this money's gonna go to the junkyard. All this precious money I worked for is gonna go away, but the P1 is really good. Alright, we're going to be at 1.6 million. Oh my bat. Alright, guys, I have a way of getting back up. Do not worry. Oh, that worked! I never thought there was more cars, so it was like one more lap, I bet. One more bet, I bet one more lap, then we're gonna get it. I bet all my money in jailbreak. Oh my god. All my money in jailbreak without boost, that I will get the P1 after this lap. Oh, it's a kind of come through. $1.6 million. Let's do this. I don't have to. Oh my people, my money in jailbreak. Alright, just hop on right there. The P1's up here. Alright, P1. Alright, what color should we make it? No, black. That looks sick. Yeah, I like black to be honest. The P1, I finally got it! I like how I walk ninja mode. Ooh. Like. P1? I love that noise. It's like... Oh, I forgot the spoiler doesn't come up. It usually comes up. I'm at 2,000 now. That's gonna change. Top speed 221. It's gonna change right now. I bet you it's gonna be over 330. Over 330. If I'm wrong, I have to. I was gonna say I have to donate all my cash. 351 is the top speed right there. How you doing? How you doing? That's what I said. Alright, so the top speed, let's see what that will equal in cash. Right there. And my mouse is up, 349. Oh my back. We made it, Alright, let's go customize this thing. I will meet you guys at the paint shop. Alright guys, I am here with you. And I'm going to make this car look totally rad. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so we'll make this black. Sick. Black. Woo! Black. Alright, I'm telling you, I'm liking this. I'm liking this, yeah. That's sick. Alright, now, I don't have enough money for spoilers yet, but let me think the spoilers I'm gonna want. Like this. Nah, I'll think about that. No, not the Egoista. Maybe. It's either the GT3 spoiler or the Zonda. Look at the glitch. It's on my car. Alright. I'm keeping it this color for now. Alright, so engine, braking, let's see the things we can do with our money. Here's some brakes. Tires. Slim would look awful. No, I like Slim. How about Slim like wall? Oh, that's disgusting. Alright, black. Transmission. Suspension. Sir. I do not have anything close to that one. Alright, so yeah, that's probably gonna be it with this car. Oh, dude, I just bought this lame-o. Just using that guy's word right there. Thank you so much. Holy. Oh, it's just insanity. I was like, if this was up insanity, it's like 90% faster. 400! I am in the water. Alright, we're going up slowly, going up slowly, slowly. So definitely guys, in the next video we are going to be upgrading this car. I'm going to get some more dough. I'm gonna get some more dough. So yeah. Well yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys are new, and hit that like button. And yeah, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, make sure that I enjoyed too. I enjoyed. I don't know if you guys enjoyed. So